Intergrow's drive is to have year-round production in the US. We can truly say these are locally produced tomatoes. We don't bring in products from Mexico. We grow our own produce in upstate New York, which I believe is kind of unique compared to some of our competitors. We have a great team of dedicated employees that have been with us for a long time. Each employee has his own section that he or she is responsible for, so they really feel that those are their plants and they really have a feel of responsibility for those plants.
Intergrow takes pride in harvesting, packing, and shipping our tomatoes within 24 hours. This ensures the freshest produce available and premium quality tomatoes. Have good relationships with our customers, and they see the value in all the services that we provide in addition to just quality tomatoes. Everything from the reliability of our Intergrow trucking fleet to the flexibility of orders and the continuing innovation of packages and new products for the future.
We offer tomatoes on the vine, beefsteak tomatoes, cherry tomatoes on the vine, medley mixed tomatoes, grape tomatoes, cherry snacking tomatoes, and different pack sizes. So we offer top seal, flow pack, bulk, and bagged products. So we really are here to be your tomato solution expert. We want to be the go-to people for tomatoes.
You can buy our tomatoes at most retailers in the Northeast. Tops, Aldi's, Top & Shop, Giant Eagle, Kroger. For us, the main advantage is that we can have a year-round supply to all our retail customers. We can stay in contact with our retailer year-round and we can supply their product year-round, and they don't have to look for a different supplier in the wintertime. We feel it's our responsibility to make sure there's food on everybody's tables, and we're here every day to make sure that happens.